Readiness in following Christ and His values demands one's clear and right inner disposition of heart. Faithfulness is inevitable in discipleship. The responsibility of every Christian is to be the bearer of the gospel. To be a bearer of the gospel is to stand for the gospel values with justice, peace, and charity. Faithfulness to the values of Christ is a commitment and is shown in our daily struggles. Yes, it is to be faithful to our conscience. Our inner disposition gets reflected in our treatment towards the people at the periphery and the oppressed. From the Gospel reading, our call is to be like the faithful slave whom the master appoints to be in charge of his fellow slaves and give the latter allowance of food at the proper time. As we are partakers of Jesus' mission, this call summons us with the responsibility of taking care of the poor and the oppressed and to stand for justice and peace at the right time. Our God in heaven will be abounding in love when He sees us being true to our call by taking care of the poor and the needy who are entrusted to us, forgoing our vested interests which lead us to selfishness and exploitation, as it happened with the wicked and unfaithful slave.
Lord, grant us the true conscience to stand with the less privileged and to work for justice and peace.